Today we're making a Mediterranean chicken kale and quinoa salad. We start with fresh kale. After washing and drying the kale, massage it with your hands for 1 to 2 minutes to break down the tough fibers. Then cut it into thin ribbons for the salad. Add cooked and cooled quinoa to a large mixing bowl. Then add the shredded chicken, the kale, cucumbers, tomatoes, chickpeas, red pepper, scallions, Kalamata olives, radishes, feta cheese, oregano, and mint. Give it a good toss. A little lemon vinaigrette is the perfect finish to this salad. And that's it. This kale quinoa salad with chicken is great for brown bag lunches and healthy dinners. Make one today. Enjoy.